Imagine Yugoslavia today, a country that celebrates its diversity, where Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Serbia, and Kosovo come together. Every language, every tradition, and every custom intertwine into a rich tapestry of life. What would Yugoslavia look like today? On the streets, festivals bring together people from all parts of the former Yugoslavia. Music can be heard from every corner, and the aromas of traditional dishes fill the air. These festivals are not just events, they are a vibrant tapestry of culture and history. From the lively beats of folk music to the intricate steps of traditional dances, every element tells a story of unity and shared heritage. The streets come alive with colors, sounds, and scents that evoke a sense of belonging and pride. Children play traditional games, learning the customs of their ancestors, while elders share tales of the past. As night falls, fireworks light up the sky, symbolizing hope and joy. People dance in traditional attire, their movements synchronized in a beautiful display of harmony. Here, every kind of diversity is celebrated, and togetherness grows stronger. These festivals are a testament to the enduring spirit of unity, reminding us that despite our differences, we are all part of one community, bound by shared traditions and mutual respect. Economically, Yugoslavia would be modern and sustainable. Our vision for the future encompasses a blend of advanced technology and environmental consciousness. We aim to create cities that are not only efficient, but also eco-friendly, ensuring a high quality of life for all residents. Our cities would be filled with innovative solutions, with an emphasis on green energy and technology. Imagine urban areas powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, reducing our carbon footprint significantly. Buildings would be designed with energy efficiency in mind, incorporating green roofs and smart systems to manage resources effectively. Industries would develop in harmony with nature, utilizing sustainable practices that minimize environmental impact. Factories and manufacturing plants would adopt green technologies, ensuring that production processes are clean and efficient. This approach not only protects our natural resources, but also promotes economic growth by creating green jobs. And tourism would flourish thanks to our natural beauty and rich culture. Our diverse landscapes, from pristine beaches to majestic mountains, would attract visitors from around the world. Cultural heritage sites would be preserved and promoted, offering tourists a unique glimpse into our history and traditions. Sustainable tourism practices would ensure that these treasures are protected for future generations to enjoy. Our economy would be dynamic, with entrepreneurs utilizing the rich resources of this land. The development of high-tech sectors, a startup culture, and sustainable innovations would create jobs and prosperity, while local products would conquer markets across Europe. Through joint projects, citizens come together to solve challenges. Sustainability and ecology would become a priority, and Yugoslavia would stand out as a leader in the fight against climate change. Education is key in a modern society. It serves as the cornerstone for personal and communal growth. In classrooms, children not only learn about their roots and heritage, but also gain an appreciation for the diverse cultures that make up our community. This understanding fosters a sense of belonging and unity. Key initiatives and programs are designed to promote dialogue and understanding among different communities. These initiatives include cultural exchange programs, history lessons that highlight various traditions, and interactive activities that encourage students to share their own cultural backgrounds. By engaging in these activities, students develop empathy and respect for one another. This creates a foundation for mutual respect and cooperation, which is essential for a harmonious society. Teachers play a crucial role in this process by facilitating discussions and creating an inclusive environment where every student feels valued. Through education, we can build bridges between different cultures, breaking down barriers and fostering a more inclusive and respectful world. The impact of these educational efforts extends beyond the classroom, influencing how future generations will interact and collaborate in an increasingly globalized world. On the world stage, Yugoslavia would occupy a prominent place. As a country that values peace, dialogue, and cooperation, it would be an active member of international organizations, contributing to global solutions and promoting human rights. Through international cooperation, Yugoslavia would connect with neighboring countries, promoting regional stability and economic growth. Joint projects would benefit all nations, strengthening ties and understanding. Imagine a world where differences are celebrated and togetherness is strengthened. That is the vision of Yugoslavia today, a place where we all belong, where every story is valued. In this country, nature and culture are in harmony. The Adriatic Sea becomes a symbol of our connection, and the shores are filled with life and joy. Cities are full of greenery, and people enjoy a healthy lifestyle. Sustainable development is our future. Art and culture are flourishing. Cultural centers become gathering places where ideas and experiences are exchanged. This Yugoslavia is a symbol of unity, people of all nations, together in peace and understanding. Imagine this, a community that is proud of its heritage, open to the future. That is the Yugoslavia we would all like to see. Thank you for joining us on this journey through an imaginary, yet inspiring future of Yugoslavia. Your support and understanding make a difference. Thank you for watching Strange and Spectacular. Please share and subscribe.